Hi, curl lovers. My name is Kenesha Tillman, and I own Tutus and Tennis Shoes, which is a hair care education company. I specialize in teaching white, transracial adoptive parents how to take care of their black kids' hair. But today's 60-second lesson is for anyone. We're going to be talking about deep conditioners, when and how to use them. Deep conditioners come in two different categories. They're either protein rich and help restore the strands, or they're moisture rich and help restore the elasticity. Either way, your hair needs a balance of protein and moisture to stay healthy and reduce breakage. However, if you use too much protein, the hair will get dry and brittle and will break very easily. So when you comb through it, it'll sound kind of crunchy and crackly. And no matter how much you apply more deep conditioner, it still feels just as dry. Well, that's because you don't need the protein. You need a moisture-rich conditioner. So as long as the hair doesn't feel gummy and limp and like a soft or overcooked noodle, then that means you're good on moisture and you're okay to use more moisture-rich conditioners. Protein conditioners only need to be used maybe about 4 times a year unless you're using a chemical like a relaxer or color. Oh, that's my time. All right, guys, tune in for the next one.